Get ready to drive your career forward. Race to Cedar Rapids, Iowa, and join us for the 2025 IAAL Auto Lock Expo. The Auto Lock Expo is an event you can't miss as an automotive locksmithing professional. Experience 3 days of hands-on classes, learning from the best instructors in the industry. Rev up your skills and see the latest technology in action. This is the perfect place to network and steer your career in the right direction. Race to see the latest tools, equipment, technology, and service providers at the trade show. And meet one-on-one with top suppliers. And while you're getting your career on track, enjoy beautiful Cedar Rapids, Iowa, a convenient location with so much to experience. Your race starts now. Set your GPS for the Auto Lock Expo.